My Life, please invite everyone to watch. Yes, una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa mga for having us here. Maraming salamat, nag-enjoy po kami. And ito na nga po, mamayang gabi na nga po ang aming premiere, You Changed My Life, sa SM Megamall Cinemas 9 and 10 at 7 p.m. At a regular showing po, bukas na! Naku! Maganda to, promise po talaga.
Yes, kasama ng You Changed My Life, Braver Cruz, Al Cantay, Irma Adlawan, Dante Rivero, Direk Roel Santiago, Matente Leon, Jonas Gamboa, Vern Palaca, and directed by the one and the only blockbuster director of the moment, Cassie Garcia Molina!
Hi, Cassie!
Hi, Direk! I'll see you later. And meron kaming international screening, international premiere with me, myself, and Direk Cassie. On Feb 28, we'll be in Los Angeles sa Alex Theater, and on March 1 sa San Francisco sa Fox Theater. And for tickets, log on to www.abscbnglobal.movies.com or call 1-800-227-9676.
And of course, mag-international regular screenings po, February 27 to March 6 sa Guam,
March 12 to 14 to Dubai, and also March 12 to 14 to Sharjah,
March 19 to 21 Abu Dhabi, March 26 to 28 Qatar, and March 26 to 28 Bahrain.
Bahrain, and visit the official microsite of You Changed My Life, youchangedmylife.starcinema.com.ph. And for the latest and exclusive updates from Star Cinema, Sarah?
Ayan.
Join the online community at starcinema.spotify.com.
Yes. At pwede rin po kayong manalo ng 10 loads, movie passes, and even 2,000 pesos gab! O, di ba naman? Sa grand draw ng You Changed My Life text promo.
Mali-mali dyan.
Cancer logos, ikaw na nga, labo na ba ako?
And movie trivia by texting you
Kailangan pa
space
kasi siya.
on 2360.
Yay! Thank you very much! Oh my goodness!
Buti yan, quality dyan, babe.
Thank you very much, Kuya Willie. Get well soon. Kailangan ka namin dito. Once again, Feb 25, You Changed My Life. And tomorrow night,
Premiere night!
Pipinin mo namin. You Changed My Life.
Oh, thank you so much!
Thank you very much.
Oh, yung dito na ba ito?
Nag-enjoy kami. Sana, lagi kayo magpunta dito. Thank you so much! See you sa premiere night. Ay, may take home pa. Mag-popcorn.
Thank you.